All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here. Special analysis. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Taking a look at the profit pack here on the US dollar, Japanese yen. Got a perfect retest of support here. You guys know I'm a big proponent of qualifying your trades, right? Profit pack, very simple setup. Trend change, correction through the profit band, trigger candle prints. We consider our entry at the close or the print of the trigger candle. We consider our stop placement on the opposite side of that said trigger candle. So that part is very simplistic to master. Then it comes into taking profit as per your plan, whether it's a 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 5-to-1 risk reward ratio, prior highs, prior lows, daily pivots, weekly pivots, whatever your pleasure, okay? Do I provide you all that simplistic stuff? Yes. Can I talk you through kind of what a good idea is? Absolutely. But at the end of the day, those are all decisions that you as the independent trader need to make. But my goal is to help you better understand how to qualify these particular setups. And the way that you do that is very simplistic. If we're looking for a long setup, we're looking for that trigger candle to test some form of prior support. If we're looking for a short setup, we're looking for that trigger candle to test some area of prior resistance. This way we know that area has been reactive before. So you could see that this area right here is ultimately what drove price higher. That's what caused the trend change. We take a shallower correction, right? We place a higher low from this prior candle, and that trigger bar prints below the profit band. So we take a really nice deep correction, trigger bar prints right into prior support, which is what ultimately drove this trend change, and we're off to the races, guys. I mean, we just literally take out this prior high and just keep grinding higher. In fact, I just liked this so much I didn't even wait to see what the ultimate outcome was. But the whole point of the video is to teach you how to utilize the profit pack, right? It's identify, qualify, execute. That's the way that you need to trade, right? You need to identify the opportunity, you need to qualify the opportunity, then you need to implement and execute your plan. Whatever your plan may be, your plan is going to ultimately be unique to you, right? Every one of us is going to trade a little bit differently because we all have different risk tolerances, different account sizes, different emotional capacity when it comes to trading, because that plays a vital role in how we act as traders, right? It's an emotional game that we must control it, and each of us, depending on where we are in our trading career, it's going to be a little bit different, all right? I'm not going to sit here and tell you that one way is perfect and the other's not, all right? It's what works for you. We each define success. We each define our approach a little bit different, but this is how it is, guys. Trend change, correction through the profit band, trigger candle prints, and we're off to the races. What I like to do is find and qualify my trade before I consider an entry. Qualifying this trade was very simple. Prior support, here's the push, here's the retest, shallow print, right? Meaning shallow to the prior low. So we placed a higher low here. We got a nice high here, and we're off to the races. Where would I take profit first? Testing this prior high right in this area. Once I start taking my profit, I'm going to take my stop from the bottom of this trigger candle, move it to my entry, and I'm going to leave it alone. From that point, I'm just looking to continue to take more profit as price action keeps going in my favor. If in the future we pull through the profit band again, that's where I'll take my stop and I'll advance it somewhere in the future. But for the moment, guys, this was just flawless. Trend change, correction, trigger bar prints into prior support, and you can see that price never looked back against it. So I encourage you, below this video, there's going to be some links. Click on them, absorb the content, send me an email. I will answer any and all questions that you have. If the profit pack is right for you, if you believe that it can help serve your purpose as a trader, make you a better trader, help you read price action better, help you understand what's happening in the market better, then I'll get it in your hands. It's really that simple. Within 24 hours, I can have it to you. You can download it. I'll get you your license key, and you can be up and running. It works on stocks, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies. It really doesn't matter. It's fully adjustable in the way that it prints in size and speed, so it can be tailored to you. I'll see you in the next video, guys. God bless.